I've never seen the West Limerick hills look as bright as they are today. Oh, never did her fields and meads or hedgerows look so gay. Perhaps it is long absence from the haunts we love so well that fills me with such strange delight here in this woodland dell. The sparkling little glaise fed by many a rippling rill still steals along the valley between the verdant hills, and many a fern and primrose sweet and water lily fair bends low to touch the crystal stream as she winds through Knockanair. Once more I see Dromada hill clash schoolhouse and cool west, but Knockanair, my native place, the home I love the best. I see Knockfinisk and Glenduff, Toureen and Glenagower, and here is the Shannon silvery crios between Glin and Tarbert shore. I see you Knocknagornagh and our own sweet Templeathea, the fields of golden corn and meadows of new mown hay. Down in the valley flows the gale, so full of trout and eel, and here is the road from Knocknagornagh that leads to Abbeyfield. But night has dropped her curtain and the mountains fade from view. Good hills and dells of Limerick, to you I'll bid adieu. My thoughts will often wander back to those places so far away, to gaze in spirit on those hills and the mountain by Ate.